Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, CDM number 9. Well, we have a continued easterly wind pattern in place, and that is supporting plenty of low clouds throughout the region. A few isolated showers as you head off towards eastern Pennsylvania, capable of some heavier downpours. You can see that very nicely here. Let's click on this latest data around Coatesville and Chester County. You've seen some moderate rainfall, visibility below a mile. So you can see, while the coverage here is not all that impressive, the potential here for a heavier downpour clearly is present. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 50s over the higher elevations, upper 50s to lower 60s everywhere else over the northern interior. Lower to mid 60s in your suburbs, and mid to upper 60s along the immediate coast and in your urban areas. Take a look at our infrared satellite picture zoomed out. Clearly, everyone is focused on Helene. Tropical Storm Helene is very close to becoming a hurricane, and it is looking very, very healthy. As I discussed in the premium video, which I suggest everyone check out if you are a premium member, only $15 a month, I explain exactly what is evolving here, why this satellite picture is so impressive, and what that means for the Florida Panhandle. And what it means is, well, if you haven't evacuated already, I suggest doing so. As you can see, the National Hurricane Center has done a pretty good job with forecasting the storm up to this point, and the potential here and the environment that is in place is increasingly likely that Helene will become a major hurricane and possibly a powerful one at that. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that as the storm lifts northward. There is very strong agreement that there will be landfall somewhere in this ballpark right here. Now, the storm will be interacting with this upper level low, and that's what makes this whole situation very, very interesting and a bit complicated for much of the southeast, because what's going to happen is that all of this moisture and the low-level circulation will be absorbed into this upper-level low, setting up a very stormy period of weather for the end of this week and into the start of this upcoming weekend for much of the Tennessee River Valley and for the southeast. While that's happening, the portion of the trough up here will break off and dive into the Canadian Maritimes. And what that sets up for us is a cold front that drops south, and a stationary front sets up, blocking the impacts and the remnants of Helene, and sets up a maritime air mass over the region for this weekend. So a lot is evolving here as we move on through the next couple of days. In the meantime, we have this warm front that is slowly going to approach, with running up against this onshore flow. The focus of your showers today are going to be over much of western Pennsylvania and central Pennsylvania, but will continue to feature those isolated shower threats and more widely scattered shower threats over eastern Pennsylvania, isolated shower threats along the coast. But these showers are going to be capable of some heavier downpours at times. So just because it's isolated doesn't mean you won't need your umbrella, because some of these showers will be capable of producing a quick quarter of an inch to tenth of an inch of rain in some locations. On the visible satellite picture, you can see plenty of low clouds today. Not going to see much in the way of sunshine. Maybe some veiled sunshine, let's say around Connecticut and Long Island within the upper level clouds, but then you have your low clouds cutting that off. So that's pretty much it. A very cloudy day is setting up for the region as a result. So diving into this forecast for today, variable to overcast cloud cover with the threat for isolated to widely scattered showers, high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow, the warm front will press closer towards the region with low clouds, drizzle, isolated showers, widely scattered showers towards eastern Pennsylvania, low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. For tomorrow morning into tomorrow afternoon, the cold front will start to press south with more scattered showers, more widespread rainfall setting up here. And some of these showers will be capable of heavier downpours. Here comes Helene lifting up towards the Florida Panhandle. Again, the size of this storm is going to be pretty significant because you have the frontal boundary here associated with the upper level low. So that's what's going to produce all this widespread rain over Georgia. which is also going to be interacting with the storm that is going to be expanding in size as this powerful hurricane lifts up towards the Florida Panhandle. Temperatures for us in the meantime on Thursday afternoon with scattered showers will range from the lower to mid 70s over the interior and along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. Thursday night into Friday morning, cold front drops south. This high pressure system starts to lock in and acts as a block of whatever is trying to form that, the remnants of Helene here, transitioning into an extratropical storm. So you end up with this cold front kind of stalling out over southern New Jersey and the Delmarva River, the Delmarva Peninsula. It's going to lead to variable cloud cover around the Philadelphia metro, scattered cloud cover to the north of the New York City metro, and a threat for a few lingering isolated showers. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, possibly a few upper 40s in your higher elevations. Upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast and in your suburbs, lower to mid 60s in your urban areas. On Friday afternoon, the frontal boundary stalls. Again, scattered cloud cover in New York City metro, variable cloud cover to Philadelphia metro with isolated showers, heavy rainfall throughout the Tennessee River Valley and the southern mid-Atlantic. Temperatures on Friday afternoon will range from the lower to mid 70s throughout the region with an onshore flow, that easterly wind continuing. On Saturday, the frontal boundary remains stalled. The upper level low begins to weaken. Precipitation becomes more scattered and not as concentrated. Still, that threat for a few isolated showers would be capable of a brief heavy downpour, especially down towards Cape May, but most of the region will just remain with a mix of sun and clouds. Look for low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s throughout the region. On Sunday, the stationary front remains to our south with scattered cloud cover expected. Still an isolated shower threat down towards southern New Jersey. Scattered showers remain over the southern Mid-Atlantic and the Tennessee River Valley, but the overall impacts of Helene will basically be fading away. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to upper 40s to lower 50s over for lows. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s. On Monday, a cold front will approach the region. We'll have scattered to broken cloud cover, a few isolated showers if possible, especially towards central Pennsylvania. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 50s for lows and high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 70s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s away from the coast. On Tuesday, a cold front swings through with the threat for a few isolated widely scattered showers. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. Another cold front swings through on Wednesday with more widespread showers expected, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon hours with high pressure building in. Look for low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, and high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior and mid 60s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.